circle is a shape with all points on the circle the same distance from the center point. A radius is a straight line from the center to the circle's edge. A diameter is the line across the endpoints of a circle that passes through the center point.
Perimeter of the triangle. Say it. C equals MC squared. C equals detention. Alright. Owen, can you please give me the answer and explain how you got it?
The answer of the, can I do area?
Yes, you do there.
Okay, the area I got 10 centimeters.
Okay, and how did you get that?
I times 5 by 4, and then times 20 by 5.
Okay, so time multiplying by 0.5. What's another way we could have done that?
Dividing by
Dividing by 2. Okay, who got the
Circumference is the distance round the circle. Diameter D is twice the radius. Radius R is half the diameter. Pi is circumference C divided by the diameter.
Thank you, circle. Okay. Okay. Let's explore our diameter again. All right. Very good, circle. Okay. We'll put those to the side, and I need one more circle. Let go. Make it big or smaller. That's up to y'all.
Make it as big.
4, 3, 2, 1. All right, thank you. So we all have measured our circumferences and our diameters. Could I please have a representative from each group come and put your data on the board? Okay. So now what we want to do, we found diameter and circumference. We want to find out if there's a relationship between them. If I take my circle and I unwind it and I lay it out flat, can knowing that length help me determine the diameter? Or if I know how long the diameter is, can it help me figure out the circumference? So what I'd like for you guys to do is I would like you to see if you can find a relationship between our diameter and our circumference. Can you please, for your circle, take the circumference and divide it by the diameter? Yes, unroll this exactly what it would look like. Okay, circle 1, Betsy? 3. Okay, so we take our circumference, we divide it by our diameter, we get 3. All right, what about circle 2? Yes, ma'am. Got 3. Huh?
For the second. For the third.
For the third one, you got 3 too?
Yeah.
3 point something, right? 3 point what? 125. All right. So what do we notice about the relationship between the diameter and the circumference?
Yeah.
If I take my diameter and I multiply it by 3, do I get my circumference? Basically, right? We're going to multiply, yes, by pi. This was an estimation. Obviously, we know that our circles were not exact, our diameters were not exact, but we know that there's this relationship every time. So in a problem to find the circumference and to find it exactly, rather than multiplying by 3, we're going to multiply by approximately 3.14, which is pi.
The line across the endpoints of a circle that passes through the center point.
Anybody want to come up here and measure the radius of my circle? All right, Baton, you go ahead. Now our radius is half of the whole width. Okay, so we're going to say that's probably approximately what? 1.5. All right, let's see if that's what it is. All right, 1.5 centimeters. So in order now to find the diameter, which we already know is 3, what steps would we take? Okay. So we're going to need 2 times the radius. So we make that 1.5 times 2, and we have 3 centimeters. Okay, would anybody like to measure the bottom one? All right. I'm not going to keep it away. mi fue, pégale ese bebito fue, Betsy. So this one says measure the diameter first. Okay, so it's about 2.5. Move your bar. 2.6. Okay. So if it's 2.6, what's our radius going to be? What do you think we have to do? Perfect. Okay. Diameter divided by 2. 2.6 divided by 2 equals 1.3. Very good. So what we're realizing is if you take the circumference and you divide it by the diameter, you're going to get the answer of pi. If you take your circumference, you divide it by the diameter, you're going to get pi. Okay, if you take the circumference, you divide it by the diameter, you always get pi. And we love pi.
Diameter D is twice the radius. Pi is circumference C divided by the diameter.
Your neighbor, and you're going to decide how to find the area. Okay, the area of the circle.
Hey Bob,
Hey,
do you like circles?
well, yeah, I guess.
Well boy, do I have a song for you.
Here is a circle, it knows how to get around. It has a radius from center to rim, and its diameter's a line that goes from side to side while passing through the center. Now isn't that simple? Pi r squared sounds like area to me. When I need a circumference, I'll just use pi d. Pi r squared sounds like area to me. When I need a circumference, I'll just use pi d. Here is a circle, it knows how to get around. It has a radius from center to rim, and its diameter's a line that goes from side to side while passing through the center. Now isn't that simple? Pi r squared sounds like area to me. When I need a circumference, I'll just use pi d. Pi r squared sounds like area to me. When I need a circumference, I'll just use pi d.
A circle is a shape with all points on the circle the same distance from the center point. Diameter is a line across the endpoints of a circle that passes through the center point. Diameter D is twice the radius. Radius R is half the diameter. Pi is circumference C divided by the diameter.